for Unleashed. May pasabog si Jojo doon. In the meantime, from one superstar guest to another, Pops, itong next guest natin. Sikat tong mga to.
Yeah. Oh, Sam, you have something for us?
Pops.
Yeah?
Oh.
Ang dami. Nagko-consult last few weeks, di ba?
Kaya sila sikat.
Ang dami lang patients whether online or people calling this show for the past 4 Thursdays, we've had these guys. And Joe?
I am so inspired again tonight, Tons.
Gawin mo naman medyo natural, hindi parang plastic naman ang pagkasabi mo. Jojo, in 3, 2, 1, go!
I am so inspired tonight, Tons.
Why?
Because
Why?
I'm beside in my beautiful woman.
Calling it.
The future is now. The future is now.
Calling it out.
Pare, fresh of Garvey ka, kaya may makakanta ka dyan mamaya.
Oo, pare. Miss Ivy.
Hi, honey.
Yun, kinilig naman ako to.
And of course, glad to have them here again, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Acer IT Doctors.
Hello, guys.
Hi, guys. Thanks for having us again.
All right. Doc Vince, what's new?
Well, actually, we're very proud that, as you said, we've been able to help a lot of people who have IT concerns, whether it's finding the right gadget for their lifestyle or if they had questions with their current gadgets. In the past 2 weeks, I think, we've helped out over 30,000 IT patients.
Wow. So this is over on Facebook pa lang,
Yes,
right?
Facebook pa lang.
And emails and
Yes.
stuff like that.
Exactly.
So what, people just hit you up on Facebook?
The main thing is facebook.com/AcerPH. We're
Okay.
there 24/7 for all their IT concerns.
All right. Ikaw, Jojo,
Yeah.
how IT healthy are you?
I'm healthy in IT, Tons, because I'm no problem in my computer right now because I'm using Acer laptop. I'm using my Acer laptop right now. It's steady and stable, fast and
Steady.
Steady.
and accurate. Like you, Miss Ivy.
Fast and accurate?
Fast and accurate.
Yeah.
Because my heart's fast beating because of you.
Wala
I think you're very prepared tonight,
Yeah.
in fairness.
I'm prepared because lang.
Si Miss Jem Ferrer
Hi,
nakikinig.
Miss Jim Ferrer, Ateneo Blue Eagles. Hi.
Lady Eagle.
Lady Eagles.
We like to invite our callers to check out how IT healthy Jojo really is. So we're inviting 3 callers to throw any IT-related questions which Jojo will have to answer. Are you serious?
Jojo will answer, yes.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
It's our little challenge because I think Jojo was applying to be an IT doctor.
Yeah, I'm applying.
So
Yeah, if you want to wear the coat, you have to be very, very IT smart.
Yeah, that's all.
Oh.
Piece of cake. That's a piece of cake for me.
And you're a piece of?
Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Throw out the question.
All right.
But I think we're gonna
Fake
raise
lang
the
yan.
stakes though. There's something. in
Jojo,
it.
meron pa.
Ano yung pasabog?
Yeah, no.
Ivy, do you wanna?
All right, for every question that you get right, Jojo, may prize ka.
Ano?
Yes, Jojo, are you ready for your prize?
A date for you? Anong price?
Date na agad. Date
No?
na agad.
Jo, for
Yeah.
every question that you get right,
Mm-hmm.
may kiss ka. From? Nurse
Nurse
Ivy.
Inventive.
Ops, galingan mo ha.
Sige.
We're taking 3 callers,
That's crazy.
IT related. And
Sa'yo.
Jojo,
Mm-hmm.
the great thing is you get to choose where. Saan gusto mo i-kiss?
Okay.
So hindi na game face.
Uy, si Bossing
Bossing!
Bossing.
Soto.
Oh, Jojo, 3 questions.
Mm-hmm.
Pag nakuha mo yung isa, you get 1 kiss. You get a second or correct answer, you get a second kiss.
Piece of cake,
Pangatlo,
Tones.
pangatlo, palapit na yan.
The closer it gets.
Palapit
The
sa...
closer I get to you.
Ang pahit. Bakit? Wag na lang.
Ano, game na tayo. Game na.
6310899.
Hello?
Throw an IT question to Jojo.
All right. Any IT question, make sure it's easy. Easy. We want
There.
like, really easy questions.
Hello?
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
Wala.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Hi,
Hi.
good evening.
Do you have any IT questions for Jojo?
Yeah, I do have. Like, how many bits is it in a terabyte?
How many bits are in a terabyte for that first kiss, Jojo?
In 1 terabyte, there are 1,024 million kilobytes.
Anong kilobytes?
Kilobytes in one.
Somebody tell me that's wrong.
Ulitin mo.
1,024,000 kilobytes
In 1 terabyte.
In 1 terabyte.
So let's ask our IT doctors, is he correct?
IT.
Give it to Doc Cookie.
Doc Cookie.
No, sorry, that's an incorrect.
What's the answer?
Oh, and you know who gets the kiss? Sapay G!
Tama ako dyan.
Sorry, John. Look at Jojo's face.
Ganyan na ba tayo? Ganyan na ba tayo? Ganyan na ba tayo?
Bakit?
Alam mo, kaibigan kita.
Binabakod mo.
Oh!
Alright.
I suddenly like this game
Ano to, touch move?
already.
Touch move ba to, papi?
Exclusive na agad, bro.
Beso Buddha, Sam. Beso Buddha.
Beso!
Idol ka pala eh.
Jojo, look away!
Jojo, galit na galit.
That is more for Jojo.
Round 2, round 2.
Round 2.
Okay, second question.
You know, I'll just give the right answer.
Okay.
Actually, 1 terabyte is 1,073,741,820.
Too far, honey.
You're only at 1 million. Sorry.
Yeah.
1 billion.
1 billion.
In one
I
terabyte.
love the question. Whoever the caller was, I love you.
Hello?
Next question.
Selos.
Hello?
Grabe na.
Hi. Good evening. Are you there? Okay, we lost them. Hello?
Hello?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, you've got a question for Jojo?
Yes.
Okay.
What does NFC stand for?
NFC.
NFC, that's
National
football.
Wag mo bigyan ng clue. Oh, Jojo, NFC.
NFC, it's in hard disk. It's a part of hard disk.
No, what
Which means-
what does NFC mean?
Non-factor compatible.
Nagmumura ka na naman.
Non-factor, factor compatible. NFC.
Spell factor.
F-E-C-T-O-R.
Our IT doctors, Jeff, Doc.
Bali, NFC, it means near field communication.
Slick Rick, beso.
Mga idol kayo! Mga idol kayo! Mga idol!
Oh, he's turning red.
Selos ka lang.
Mga idol!
Joe, one question na lang para matanggap ka sa IT
chance pa,
doctor.
may
Ito. Baka big question to, Joe.
Okay, hello?
Hi, good evening.
Evening, you got a question for Jojo?
I had a question for Jojo.
All right, fire away.
I need to type the enye on a word or on my report. How do you type the letter enye from my keyboard?
Enyen keyboard? Piece of cake!
Yes.
Ano piece of cake?
Cake is a piece of cake!
Ayusin mo!
Piece of cake!
Piece of cake! Oh,
It's a
go.
piece of cake!
In word.
In word?
Yeah.
Piece of cake. Up to 164.
That is correct.
This is the moment! This is the moment! Hold on, Joe.
Everyone's scrambling for their phones all of a sudden.
This is the moment!
Teka, bigyan mo ng background music, papi.
Can I kiss you instead?
Yung pang first kiss.
Can I kiss you instead?
Yan na lang, Joe.
Jojo, pikit ka.
Jojo, she kisses you. Sarap yan. Okay yan.
Hello?
Wait.
Jojo, pikit! Ayan. Anong last words mo? Ay!
Go. Jojo, close your eyes.
Teka, last words muna. Jojo, baka gusto mong sabihin bago kay kiss niya, no?
This is heaven and earth. Heaven and earth.
Close your eyes, Jojo. Jojo, close your eyes.
Big soto mo, ha?
Jojo, close your eyes.
May mic.
Joe. Joe, close your eyes. Pick it. Jojo, pick it. Jojo,
Huwag kang
pick it.
dadalaw.
Close your eyes. Jojo.
5.
Life is good.
May Jollibee ka na,
We gotta give.
Wow.
This is the moment.
Wow.
Of course, we'd like to say thank you very much to our 3 callers. Now, I'm sure there are actually more callers actually have IT questions out there, but, they're kind of shy. They don't want to actually call. Now, for the Acer IT doctors, what can they do to consult you guys?
Again, all they have to do is find us on facebook.com/AcerPH. We are there for them 24/7 for any IT concerns, whether they're looking for the perfect gadget to fit their lifestyle or they have questions with the current gadgets they have. No matter how small or how big the question is, we are here for them.
All right, and of course, by the way, thank you to our 3 callers. I'm sure there are more listeners out there na may IT questions and they not get a chance to consult doctors. Pero, eto, anong IT advice, question advice lang ba ipoprovide ng IT doctors? Paano pag mga 2 in the morning yung ibang questions dyan? Anong klaseng advice ang pwede nyo i-provide?
Well, mostly IT-related questions are what we can help with. We'll do our best to answer the questions they have, mostly IT-related. If they have other questions, we'll again still do our best, but we're there mostly for their IT needs.
Not financial. Pag may financial questions, parang... Hindi, mangungutang lang yun, di ba?
I love it. Very Sam Gog.
And of course, we've hung out with you guys for the past few weeks, and I'm wondering about the IT doctors. Is it just limited to customer service efforts, since you guys are just saying goodbye here to us on BNO? Is there something time-bound?
Okay, fortunately, the IT doctors are here to stay. So just message us or chat with us on Facebook, and we'll be glad to answer your questions anytime.
All right. And pahabol naman, since it's your last guesting here. Last na ba to?
Hindi naman sana.
I think Ivy.
Sana araw-araw ka na.
Kaya mo araw-araw?
I-regular natin siya?
Hindi, araw-araw sa puso ko.
Bawin ka mga ganyan.
Kaya mo araw-araw?
Araw-araw.
Tell her, kaya mo araw-araw.
Araw-araw, Ivy.
Sige lang, honey.
Since it is your last guesting, I guess the guys are wondering if you can make prescriptions on our IT questions naman. In the past weeks, we've been entertaining callers. This time, can we have a special IT consultation session?
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. For you boys, yeah. We're here for you guys.
Now, for example, like charging, because I think that's one of the bigger issues nowadays. You know, charging, for example, your laptop. Is it good to just keep it charged all the time, or should you just let the battery run out?
Ganda nun. That's a good question.
For any gadget naman, hindi lang laptop, importante yung simula, yung initial charging niya.
May ganun pa rin ba?
So, kailangan pa rin i-follow yun.
So, for example, like are the Iconia, the ones that we have, what's the initial charging for that?
Most gadgets nowadays, may factory charge naman na tinatawag. Around 20% average yun. But it's still best to ma-maximize mo yung pinaka-health ng battery mo. May initial charging lang. Then, after nun, wag lang i-overcharge ng mga listeners natin yung mga gadgets nila.
Okay. So, leaving it charged for the whole day, overnight, bawal. What about working while it's charged? Wala naman...
mostly yun yung nagiging misconception. It's a mobile device, pero lagi ka naman naka-plug in. So, nawawala yung mobility niya. So, it's really best na pag na full charge, we plug it off na.
Okay, so take out the plug.
Tanggalin mo na siya.
Right. Si Nurse ba, this is the last ba? Kasi si Jojo.
Malulungkot ako.
Yeah, no. I think this is the last for this.
Wala bang home service? Home service ng IT? Jojo.
I think we can accommodate special requests.
Jojo, special request.
Let's
go to their office.
Oh. Sa office niya, pwede ba?
You guys are invited to come by our office.
Saan ba office niya?
Diyan lang.
Kanina, Tony, tinatanong na ni Jojo sa amin yung saan daw yung office namin. Miss daw niya si Ivy.
Doon na lang mag-aabang na ako to.
Doon na lang.
Doon na ako maghapon.
Yeah, but this is the last time that you guys will be seeing the Acer IT doctors. So we would like to thank you guys for accommodating us.
Thank you.
For helping us and for helping us deliver the message to your listeners at the AC Doctors.
I think another question is, libre ba tong ano?
May ang dami nagtatanong for those who are listening at home and want to know all over the Philippines, is this consultation for free? Baka may bayad daw.
Yes, no, absolutely. It's absolutely free consultation on Facebook. Any questions they have, of course, we're open for them to give us thumbs up on Facebook or virtual hugs, but other than that, it is absolutely free on Facebook.
Virtual hug daw.
Virtual hug? Pasample naman.
Virtual.
Virtual.
Nakakarami ka, Jojo.
Jeff? Sure.
Jojo,
Dr. Jeff, virtual hug.
Virtual lang. Hindi, live naman pa sa'yo.
Pero sa amin, invite rin lang namin yung mga listener to visit our concept stores, Acer concept stores in a major cyber zone. areas. Yan.
Yeah, and you know the devices we guys gave you, the Acer Iconia W4, we would like to tell everyone that it's also available via Smart Pro Gadget Plus plan. Free at plan 999 plus 50 hours of surfing with your pocket Wi-Fi. Hi to our friends in Smart.
Yan. Ay, si Papi Gerard Milan.
Smart, hi.
On the way to Unleashed.
Acer recommends Windows 8 work easy, play hard, Windows 8. So I want to thank you guys. Jojo, I know it's
a sad times, but life must go on. But
Jojo, your final message.
IB.
Yes, honey.
Para kang blueprint.
Ayusin mo
This is the last, better make it good.
Yeah.
Okay, bakit?
Nakaplano na ka sa buhay ko eh.
Jojo, shy na shy.
But IB, I'm so miss you. Hoping that your mom and I will have together.
Mapangalan ng mom niya.
Tita Irene, di ba?
Oh my God, she's tuned in. She's not Irene.
What's your mom?
Tita
Amy.
Sam, can you greet my mom again?
Ako, Jojo.
Tita Ami.
Tita Ami, hi.
No, my mom wants Sam eh.
Mami,
Okay, bigyan natin.
son-in-law mo nandito na.
Tita Ami, good evening. Ako bahala dito sa anak nyo.
Love it.
Huwag kayong matakot kay Jojo.
Thank you, honey. And we'd also like to say hi to our friend, Mr. He-Man.
Mr. He-Man? Ay, He-Man.
Alright, we have to say the Pogging He-Man.
The Pogging He-Man, our friends. And also Mr. Wilhelm Huy.
Yeah,
the
he's
big
tuned
guy
in.
of Acer Philippines.
Thank Sir
you.
William.
Right. Oh, by the way, I'd like to greet my lovely wife. She's tuned in.
Yeah.
Trina. Yeah.
And we want to invite people to stay tuned for... We compare the Acer product. It's a bit controversial. We compare the Acer products to other gadgets out there. We have this YouTube series coming out. We're doing it with... he's a cousin of Bogart the Explorer. He's a Comrade Boris from Soviet La Union. And we compare gadgets with him on YouTube. The first 2 are out, but we have a series, I think 26 videos coming out.
Wow.
It's really fun. We invite everyone to watch the web series online.
All right. Well, thank you guys for stopping by. And more Boys Night when we return. Stick around.
Uy, coming up, Pops.
Totally refreshing.
Meron tayong very special guest.
Yun.
Jojo, ikaw mag-intro. No?
Yeah.
Coming up on Boys Night.
Set up Ateneo. Lady Blue Eagle. Stick around.
Refreshing and thirst-quenching music.
All summer long.
The beat of summer. Magic 89.9.